Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and let's get back into a small recap. This one had 2,000 views and one day ago, so if you're new, do make sure you're following the channel. And I said that the trend line is lost, and out of 2,000 people, only 37 people liked the opinion because I'm not bullish anymore, so not a lot of people are going to be liking the videos, but that's okay. Now here's what it is. Line, and you have this one touch here, one touch there, and you've broken below that. You're looking for this retest, and then you're still coming up again. You may still actually continue up like this and then fall down. So we're talking about a technical target to drop at least today in the short-term frame, and that's going to be from there to there, and we're talking about 10,000. So you have almost 24%, right? 24% trading opportunity. This was how the chart patterns were looking like, and I never really changed it. So from 1 day ago, 2 days ago, we've actually been dropping down, and back then we were up at 13,000, and this has already been down for 15%. Congratulations to anyone who took the trade. This still has a fall to 10,049. We're still very, very close to the technical target, but it doesn't even stop there. Okay, I've talked about this before. I've had people not liking opinion where I've been telling them that, you know what, as far as I am concerned, as far as I see things go, I'm pretty sure that, BONK is still looking for a 424. That's where things lie ahead. And I see a lot of patterns, as a matter of fact. I don't even think the dump has happened just yet, right? I don't really think so. There was a good opportunity when back in the days, I remember giving you the first videos of BONK here with this bull flag, and I gave you those technical targets which were met. From that point onwards, we talked about this descending triangle. The technical target was met for the descending triangle, and then I talked about this left shoulder, head here, the right shoulder, and this is actually where the neckline is lost. You went down, you went for the retest, and that's why you have this technical target. It's out of this head and shoulder that you see up there. Okay, now thing is, a lot of altcoins, if I start to show you, have a problem. Pepe, okay, Pepe looks something like this, and I'm going to talk about Pepe in a while. And Pepe does look like it wants to come down, break below, and actually go down to this price point. Okay, so it doesn't even look like the dumps, the main dumps that you often see has happened. It hasn't really happened just yet. You have Luna Classic, and Luna Classic also does look like it is interested to drop further 50%, right? I do see Matic as well, and Matic has this pattern which is about to break. So you're looking at a move up. This is a little bit of a distribution, so you're about to break below that level and actually drop another 40% down to 0.52. If I show you what Bitcoin is doing, Bitcoin has a bear flag, and a bear flag that takes Bitcoin down to $36,000. Okay, I'm just gonna go through this one with you so that you may be on the same page in the future, because BONK has played pretty much the way I was expecting it to play. And right now, since all the market is looking like this, now there's one more thing. Do you remember when we talked about the inverse head and shoulder, where we had left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, and the possibility of coming up here and invalidating the scenario to go down? Well, this inverse head and shoulder has been destroyed, right? So you have the right shoulder, and when you take out the right shoulder, the whole pattern just gets destroyed. So this pattern is not even there anymore. It doesn't exist. Okay, it doesn't really exist. So there's no neckline, and there's no moving up, and there's no coming here. So previously your stop loss was at 18,000. It's not even 18,000, 1,800, 1,800, right? Now the fact that you keep going lower, your stop loss goes lower as well. So we're looking for a move back up to almost 1558. So if you do try to come back and pump to 1558, I think the downtrend is going to be invalidated, right? So that's a little bit of a relief from that point onwards. Now let's check how the 15 minutes time frame looks like. So if I do go into the 15 minutes time frame, I kind of think we are making continuations to drop down. You can see that you went down, pumped up, we went down, pump up, down. You're going in a zigzag form, and yes, I think you're just going to continue like this until you don't really reach this technical target right there. Now when you do come down to 1000 and something, you know, this technical target here, I'm trying to figure if there's any support at that price or not, but one support that I do see is actually here, and that's going to be near 9,927. Yeah, so 927 is one place where you do have this one influence there. You have another touch here, you have one more touch right there. So if you do come down here, you can actually get a little bit of reaction. But let's say you do end up breaking this, which I do expect is going to happen. We may see this breaking below, come for the retest, get rejected, and that's where you really shoot all the way down. Now I don't know if you're going to shoot down or just go in a zigzag form, because bonk likes to go slowly up and down like this, up and down. So I'm pretty sure that's how it's going to move in the future as well. And that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.